How to change Google Chrome language back to English. So first, I'll be changing the language to another language instead of English. We just need to simply go and add the language, go with add, and now go with the right side which has that three dots, and then it says move to the top. So move to top and your language will be changed. Once you choose the language, it will relaunch your browser and you will have your browser in different language, right? So once you've changed your language, now if you want to change back to English, then what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then choose the last second option, which is the gear shaped icon. Go with the settings, and here on the left side, you will have this kind of interface, this icon. Just remember this icon, which is language icon. So simply click on the language icon, and then you just need to simply choose the English language. So choose English, go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with the first option, which is the box. Click on the box and click on this box, which is refresh or restart. And after that, you can open up your browser, and that's it. That's how you can change your Google Chrome language back to English. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.